Hi everybody. This morning we're going to do a quick tutorial in Lightburn. I'm going to show you how you can copy uh, shapes along a path. Alright, and first thing I'm going to do is draw a circle. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit on that. And what I'm going to do is I have this other little circle here that I've already drawn. I'm going to take this little one and I'm going to put circles all the way around the big circle. All right. So the first thing you do is you draw your path, which is the area that you want the shapes to go around. So I drew this large circle and I'm going to right click it and convert to path. That's a very important point. You can't forget that step. All right. And then I'm going to take this little circle I drew and I'm going to bring it in here and just snap it right along the top. All right. And now I'm going to select a little circle. I'm going to hold shift and left click on my big circle. So I have them both selected. Then I'm going to go up here to tools. Arrange. And I am going to choose copy along path. Now you can see that it's set here to number of copies is 4 right now, and it put 4 little circles right on my path. So you can increase that number and add as many as you want, and I'm going to add a bunch just because I want to show you what this can be used for. So I'm adding circles and I want to add them until they just barely overlap, okay? So I've done that, and right now they're all separate. They're not grouped together, all right? Now you could move your path away now and just be left with your circles that you created if you wanted to. You could leave this where it's at, but what I want to do is I want to make a scallop shape. So I'm going to select all of those and then I'm going to go to the left and I'm going to weld them together. And now I have a scallop shaped circle that I can use in earring designs and necklaces and in a bunch of different ways. But that's how you just copy like a basic shape around a path. But let me show you something else you can do with it too. All right, I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to convert it to a path. Right click, convert to path. Now I have this little bat. See this little bat here? I just snapped him right to the circle. So he's lined up. Now I can take this bat, shift, select my circle again, go to arrange, copy along path. Now, do you see how they're all facing the same direction? Which is great if you're making like a clock face or something. But say I want these to rotate around the circle. There's a little toggle right here in the copy along path where you can rotate them. So they will change direction all along your circle. And just keep, the more you add, it doesn't matter. They still just keep rotating. So they're all facing towards the center of your path. All right. So now we are done there. And now we can move this out of the way and get rid of it if you don't want it. You can come in here and group all of these little bats together. There's just a lot of different uses for the shapes along the path, which you can, like I said, you can use them for earring designs, you can use them for necklace design, you can use them to create a clock. There's just a ton of different uses for the copy along path. So I hope you guys found this helpful. It was just, real short and sweet, and I will see you next time.